Hello everyone, welcome to this session. In this session, we are going to see about change event in Oracle Apex. So, change event is also one of the dynamic action we have seen in the previous section. So, in this section, I'm going to show you a demo of how we can efficiently can use a change event in Oracle Apex. So, for that, now I have created two items. One is page item, one is button. So, this is the output you can see. Is page item. I'm refreshing the page. So you can see now here page item and the button is there. So now what is my thing to do is my problem is while I'm selecting male, I need to get gender as M. If I'm selecting some other thing like random numbers or some other value, I need to give I need to get unknown as a value in the gender field. So for that is my problem statement. So for that I am creating one another page item. You can right click on this and you can click on duplicate for duplicate the same properties. So here I am just naming as gender. So this is also text field and I am making this new row. So now I'm running this page. So now you can see employee number and one more field is also there. For that we need to change the label. So label can be changed here under label. We can say this as gender. Now if you run the page, you can see here employee number and gender. So my problem statement is I am entering male. So as soon as I enter male, I need to get as M here. The M for male. I am entering some random value, so I need to get others. So for this we can change as gender specification. We can change this name as gender specification. So it will be more suitable for our example. So gender specification, male means male and gender it should come. So what I'm going to do is male I'm going to change to I'm going to create a dynamic action for this male. So right click on this page item and click on the create dynamic action. So your dynamic action will be created. Here I need two set of action. One, if entered values male means I need to assign a M to the gender field. Otherwise, I need to assign unknown to the gender field. So here, based on condition, we are going to assign two different values. So for that, we can use this true false dynamic action criteria. For that, I just taken this example. Let's say here, this we can name it as change or a gender change specification change. So we can name it as gender specification name. So this is change event. You just leave that. Here in client side condition, you just give item equal to value. That is employee, and if the employee is male, means I need to execute this true action. Otherwise, I need to execute false action. So now true action, I'm going to set a value. So under this action, I'm selecting set. Here set value is one predefined action is there. You can select that, and here in set type there are different types of predefined ways is there. One static assignment. Direct you can give any static values like 1, 2, 3 or any wordings or letters. You can give static assignment. And JavaScript expression. You can use JavaScript to give a values. Here SQL state. You can use SQL queries to fetch from database and you can assign here. And PLSQL expression and PL function body etc. Now we are going to use static assignment. Here what I need to assign is if it is a male, I need to enter M in the gender field. So I just assign it directly M. Here affected elements. Selection type. You will see items because This affected element is which item is going to affect by this action. So by this action, our gender field is going to act because the value will be changed on the gender field. So gender field is a page item. So I'm selecting page item, and this hamburger menu, I'm selecting that gender field. So now this M will be changed in gender field. This is true action. Now I'm going to set another false action. That is, if I'm setting false action, because if it is male means I'm setting young. Otherwise, I need to set unknown. So for that, I'm creating another one false action. In that also, I'm selecting set value. Under set value, I'm going to select unknown. This unknown field I'm going to set. In this also same affected item, and affected item is gender. Now I'm going to run this action, run this page. So now I'm going to enter male. As soon as I enter, I'm moving the cursor out of my text field. You can see that M is assigned here. Because if you enter the value is male means I'm assigning M. Otherwise I am assigning unknown. Suppose here I am giving some other thing like female. Then as soon as my cursor gets out of this text field, I'm getting unknown. Here you can see unknown. The same thing, this is case sensitive because we are given MANE only for if condition. If I entered MANE, then you will get unknown only. So this is the thing. This is one of the change event. Using this event, you can get like suppose I'm entering employee number like some 1234 or a student roll number. Example 13546 like that. After entering student roll number or employee ID, after selecting or getting out of that thing, I need to fetch their respective names from a database by passing this roll number or employee number from the table. For example, in employee table, you can pass this employee number and you can fetch the name from that and you can assign it here. So this is one of the example for using this change event. We can see some more events in the future sections. Thank you.